નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ 4th, સબ્જેક્ટ એન્વાયરમેન્ટ. ચેપ્ટર નંબર 7, Riya's train got late, part 1. Good morning, students. How are you all? So in our previous chapter, that is chapter number 6, Riya's journey, we have seen about the journey of Riya in a train and how many stations she have passed her train. So let us do the revision of chapter number 6, from where Riya's train has passed from which station. Let us see that, because our chapter number 7 and chapter number 6, they both are connected with each other. So let us see from which station the Riya's train has passed. So the Riya has started her journey from the Gandhidham station. Okay. So the first station is Gandhidham. Okay, from where the Riya has started her journey. So the next station at which Riya's train has arrived was Samakhyani Junction. And why it is called junction, that also we have learned in this chapter. So the next station was Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is one of the biggest city of Gujarat. Okay, so the next station was Nadiyad. So in our chapter number 6, we have learned about these 4 stations from which Riya's train has passed. So in the 6th chapter, the last station was Nadiyad station. After that, Riya has went to sleep. So from there, let us continue our chapter number 6. Riya's train got late. Okay. So after some time, Riya woke up. So she sat near the window and started looking outside the window. So there, her train has halted at one station. So from the window, she has seen a big clock on the station, and it was showing the time of 5 o'clock in the morning. Okay, and beside it there was one circled board on the pillar on which it was written Vadodara Junction. So it means her train has arrived at Vadodara Junction. So the next station is Vadodara. Okay. So, and there was an important instruction also given on the map that the train which are running between Surat, Vadodara, Vapi, Valsad and Mumbai will be 2 hours late. So Riya was traveling in that train. It means her train was 2 hours late. So her father said that brush the teeth, and till that time he will bring tea for everyone. So after completing all the morning activity, till that time her father has came with tea, and her mother has taken some breakfast also with them. Okay, so she has taken out some thepla, then khakra and biscuits, and they all have eaten them that as a breakfast. So after completing the breakfast, still they have some more time for the train to depart. So her father said that, come, I will show you some of the different facilities that are given at the railway station. So Riya, her brother and her father, they get off the train to see the different facilities at the railway station. So what they have seen at the station? So they have seen that there were ticket windows, then ticket collector's room, parcel room, waiting room, then toilet bathroom, facility for drinking water and canteen, etc. So all are the different facilities that is given at the railway station. Okay, so let us note down what are the different facilities that is given at the railway station. That is ticket window, then ticket collector's room, then the next one is parcel room. Parcel room means, see, there are two types of train, goods train and a passenger train. So if you want to send any parcel to the other place, then you have to send it in a goods train. So that parcels are kept in a special room which is called parcel room. Okay, and waiting room. Waiting room means the passenger whose train are late, or for some another reason, if they have missed train and catch another train. In short, if they have to wait for the train, then there is a special room called waiting room where passengers can sit and wait for their train. Then there is a canteen from where you can buy the different food items and snacks. Then toilet bathroom. These facilities given, facility of toilet bathroom at each and every public place also. Okay. Then drinking water, etc. Okay, so all are these the different facilities given at the railway station. Okay, so at the railway station you can see there are the two platforms, and between that two platforms you can see the railway tracks. So guys, if anyone has to go from platform number 1 to platform number 2, then how he can go? Because crossing the railway tracks, it might be very dangerous. So for that, there is a bridge over these two platforms so that passengers can go to the another platform easily using this bridge. Okay, so from this bridge, Riya has seen that some other trains are also standing at the platform. And also some of the railway staff, they are pouring the water from the carriages and cleaning the train. Then some of the sweepers were there who were cleaning the train tracks. Okay. So while watching all these facilities, how the time has spent, she didn't know that. And she also enjoyed looking all these things. So till that time, and as she enjoyed all these facilities, she has taken the photographs and videos of each and every moment in her father's mobile. Okay, till that time the announcement was also given on the map that the train will leave the station within 2 minutes. Okay, so they went near the train and sit in their carriages. Okay, so after some time, after 2 minutes, the train also started. Okay, now the train was passing through the railway crossing, where she has seen that on both the side of the road, many vehicles were waiting for the train to pass. And which were the vehicles? There were many vehicles like auto rickshaw, scooter, car, bicycle, bus, then goods truck, etc. But some of the vehicles, they have not switched off their engine. which is not good, because it is a waste of fuel, then air pollution, noise pollution. Okay, so because of this there was too much noise and smoke also. Okay, so and some of the people were standing near that railway crossing, which is very dangerous. Okay, so Himaksh and Riya, they both have seen the another train was passing through their train. See, like one train is going at this side and the other train is coming like this side. Okay, so she has seen both the train were passing. So they both tried to count the carriages, but both the train were running so fast that they couldn't count the how many carriages are there in the other train. Okay. So after some time, the Riya closed her eyes and sat near the window enjoying the pleasant atmosphere. So suddenly she noticed that the sound of the train has changed. And what type of sound was coming? Kur, 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 kur. And so she looked outside the window. So she has seen that the train was passing through a long bridge which is made on a very big river. So her mother said that this is the Narmada river, which is the biggest river of the Gujarat, and it is also called the lifeline of Gujarat, because from this river many of the cities and many of the villages, they are given the water through the canal from this Narmada river. Okay, and there she has seen two more bridges also. So the from one bridge small vehicles like car, then scooter, cycle, all these vehicles were passing through it. So her father said that it is the Golden Bridge, which is the very old and the strongest bridge. Okay, and the another bridge was built on the Narmada river itself, and it is the biggest cable bridge of India. Okay, so though it was the time of summer, still there in the river was full of water. Okay, and there, what she has seen in the river? She has seen that some of the fishermen were sailing in the boat and putting the net into the river to catch the fish. So the bridge was very long. So she was enjoying all these things and the pleasant atmosphere around. Okay, till here everybody understood the chapter.
Thank you for joining us.